For me, it's really all about music. From my teenage guitar years of building an amplifier, and in the 50 years since, both as a musician and as a designer, we've worked hard to refine the art of designing products that make music in the environment for which it's intended.
Having a good understanding of the environment that a consumer is going to install and use their product in is a key design feature to having a great user experience. After 10 years designing products for Fusion and 25 years in the design industry, I still take every project as a unique project, drawing on things we've learnt from previous products and things to try and make the next Fusion product the best ever. The Fusion Signature Cabin Series, made up of the BX3020 satellite speakers and AB206 active subwoofer component. Combined, these make up the ultimate in-cabin entertainment solution.
We designed the BX3020 to work well in a small cabin. So we kept its width quite narrow so you get good acoustic dispersion. In other words, a good stereo sound field. The cone in the base mid-unit is a light mass, water-repellent paper cone. And we used a soft fabric dome tweeter so that you get a high-end home audio quality, high-frequency sound. Inside we've got a very special crossover that allows us to control the crossover between the two, but keep a good linear response through the whole field. And we also include low-frequency protection, because of course we're adding a subwoofer.
With the cabin in mind, the BX3020s were designed to be compact without compromising the sound. The sturdy mounting bracket allows them to be mounted vertically, horizontally and adjusted to any angle. Perfectly tuned to be paired with the AB206 active subwoofer.
The AB206 active subwoofer is a very special device. Not only does it provide the fundamental low bass notes that the music requires, its internal amplifiers also supply amplification to the satellite speakers, the BX3020s. The 206 has a 6.5-inch high compliance woofer and a passive radiator which tunes it to much lower frequencies, but at the same time makes it a sealed environment in which water can't get in. We chose a downfiring woofer system because it's more flexible in the way you use it in confined places. You can put things on top of it without in any way altering the sound. To allow the sound to get out from the downfiring subwoofers, we have a specially sculpted, curved section underneath that means that if you put it on the floor, if you put it against the wall, if you mount it on the wall, you will always get the same level of bass.
Just like a home entertainment system, accurate bass reproduction is important for a quality listening experience. That's why the AB206 is the perfect complement to the BX3020s. We chose D-class amplifiers because they're efficient and they're 2-ohm stable, giving us the option of driving 1 or 2 pairs of speakers. And all the controls and connections are on one end for better cable management and installation. The amplifier components are mounted to an aluminium die-cast heatsink to keep them running cool in confined spaces. The AB206 was a particularly challenging design project. To achieve accurate bass in such a small enclosure, specifically designed for the cabin environment. Personally, I'm really happy with the result and think the products are a great addition to the Fusion product family.
The most satisfying thing for me is that at the end, when we had the opportunity to sit down and listen on music that we knew throughout the ages and music we'd even recorded ourselves, the system sounded musical. It gave us music. And this is the major aim of any audio design is at the end of the day, it has to make music.